What every ERISA plan beneficiary or policyholder needs to know about the two important protections provided under the ERISA regulations. Now, there are two important protections that you need to understand. First is the ERISA fiduciary standards, and the second is the full, fair, and review. Now, I've talked in an earlier video about the fiduciary standards, and in this video I want to talk about the full and fair review requirements. Now, ERISA does provide some protections, but I'm standing near this sign for a reason, because these two protections are things that the carriers and the plans routinely violate. Let's talk more, though, about the ERISA full and fair review requirements. There are three main categories, if you will, of protections, and I'm going to expand on each in later videos. But those three are: one, timely decisions on the claim and timely decisions on the appeal. The second is adequate communications with you about what it is they're doing, and if they are denying or terminating benefits, what it is you need to do to perfect your appeal. And then thirdly, a full and unbiased expert review. As I've said, carriers will routinely violate every one of these disclosure requirements. It's just the way it goes, unfortunately. So let's first talk about the full and fair review requirements in terms of timely decisions. The administrator has to decide the claim and the appeal in a timely manner. Claims have to be decided within 45 days. So when you send in that initial claim, they've got 45 days to decide. There is your ability to submit additional material 30 days later, and they have to make a decision in 30 days. So that's the claims timely decisions requirements. Now, in terms of appeals, we have to generally have 180 days in which to submit an appeal, and that appeal is the trial of your case. But they have 45 days in which to respond, plus a 45-day extension if there are special circumstances that they satisfy, and they have timely given written notice. Again, they fail in this, and that's important because their failure to do so can result in us being able to file a lawsuit, which in turn can change the standard of review from arbitrary and capricious to the more favorable de novo standard of review. Now, the timely decision, as I said, is one that is routinely violated, and if your claim has been denied or terminated, please call us at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation to learn more about your rights to your benefits and how to timely file your application or appeal and get a decision. 727-894-3188.